Qwen 3.5 plus OpenClaw plus Ollama, all running for free right now together. So I just found a way that you can connect all three of these most powerful AI tools out there and run this whole thing without spending a single cent. Qwen 3.5 just dropped its brand new AI brain from Alibaba, and people are saying it's going to head with ChatGPT and Claude. You can see an example on the screen of something they've actually created earlier. This was a lead magnet completely generated using Qwen 3.5 for free. And you can actually leverage this to use it with tools like, for example, Claude Code for free and also OpenClaw. I'll be talking about that in a second. You can see images, write code, think deeply, speak over 201 languages. And the whole thing is open source, meaning anyone can use it. And then there's OpenClaw. If you haven't heard of it yet, it basically turns that AI brain into an agent, something that can actually do things on your computer, not just answer questions, actually take action. And Ollama, that's the thing that lets you run all of this right on your machine. So we're going to be talking about how to use it, and we'll figure it out live together right now with you. We are going to set up this whole thing together step by step, including OpenClaw, Claude Code as well for free. I'll be showing you how to set these up. Some things might break, we might hit a wall, but that's kind of the point here, because if I can get this working, you definitely can too. So if you've ever wanted a free AI setup that actually does things, not just talks, stick around. Let's figure this out together. So we're going to get started here. If you just want to get free access to Qwen, you can go to chat.qwen.ai. And this is Alibaba's model for using this right now. If you want to run this with something like, for example, OpenClaw, I'll break that down for you in a second. So you can see Ollama is available at ollama.com. You can download it, you can install it for free, and then you get all these local models that you can use. Now, some of them run on a cloud-based API, right? A cloud-based API, which means that you can actually use this for free as long as you stick within token limits, right? So you can actually use Qwen 3.5 Cloud, and you can use that directly inside Ollama. So, for example, if we actually open up Ollama here, and I'll just start sharing my whole screen, you can see an example of this right here, right? So if we go into Ollama, make sure that you've got it open if you want to do this with me, and then you're going to switch over to Qwen, right? And you want to make sure that you have Qwen installed. Now, to install it, all you do is you go over to your terminal, right? So you open up a new window like so, and then you just run this command, right? It's a copy and paste command directly from Ollama. So I'll just put this into a Google Doc for you here. So you run this command, and also you want to make sure you have Ollama, right? Install Ollama. A lot of people watching this will have already done this, and then you just copy and paste this command inside terminal. Right? Literally, that's it. That's it for running Qwen 3.5 cloud model. And once you've done that, let me show you an example of what it looks like. So once you've done that, you hit enter, and then it says connecting to Qwen 3.5. Boom, shakalaka, we're living the dream, right? And that's how we can run the cloud model. Now, you can see over here on the right-hand side, we actually have Claude Code running with Qwen 3.5 cloud. Now, that's quite interesting because we're using a free API from Ollama, as long as we stick within the token limits, and we can run that inside Claude Code, we can run it inside, whatever we want. The thing to note here as well is, like, I've been rinsing this on live streams and, sharing this and using it all the time. And I've only used like 13.9% of my weekly usage allowance, which resets in 3 days anyway, right? So like, if you use this, it's not really going to run out of credits too fast, right? As long as you're reasonable. The other thing I would say here is, like, Qwen 3.5 is pretty cool. Like, if you look at the outputs from this, pretty nice website that we generated using this method. If we go over to another test that we ran over here, this is a website we created for the AI Profit Boardroom, just as a demo example. And you can see we generated this with Qwen 3.5 as well, right? So it's actually like a decent way to use Ollama. It's a decent API, right? So you can run it inside Claude Code, as I was talking about a minute ago, and you can see it running over here. If you want to set that up, let me just close that window. The way that you do this is you open up a new window like this, and then you just run this terminal command inside the terminal here to use Ollama for free, right? And then you just go, right? That's literally how easy it is. And then you can use Claude Code for free with the Cloud API. And you can see that Claude Code is running, but it's got Qwen 3.5 Cloud running right here. Now, what happens if you want to set up OpenClaw with this as well? So to use this, you would just follow the instructions over here. I'm just going to paste this command over here. And so what you do is you just install this like so. So let me show you an example. We'll close the terminal here. So we're going to set up a new terminal window. And then you just npm install the newest version of OpenClaw, like you can see. Now that's installed like so. And then you just run the onboarding wizard. And if you want a quick setup with Ollama, you can run something like this, right? And you can see now it says launching OpenClaw with Qwen 3.5 Cloud. That is how easy it is, my friends. All right. So if we go, there's literally, I mean, a lot of people say like it's super hard to set up OpenClaw. You just do this, then you do this inside the terminal. Like that's it. And you make sure you have Ollama set up, right? So you just make sure you have Ollama installed. And that's it, my friends, right? That's it. That's a 3-step process for using Ollama with OpenClaw. You can see it's running already on the gateway. We've got it inside the terminal. When it's been configured with the gateway here, you can also change the config if you'd like as well. And you can see the gateway URL over there. Let's see what we got in the questions then. So ClickSanga says, hello, how's it going with Qwen? It's going great. Yeah, really loving it so far. Rima says, hey, Julian, nice menu for Ollama you have there. Is that native Ollama install? Yes, it is. Yeah, just native install. Rima says, is that Qwen 3.5 any good with OpenClaw? Is it enough for daily driver or even daily deep thinking? Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Hype says, yo, thinking about getting Max Studio to run marketing agency with OpenClaw. Honestly, it's not even. For 99.9% of people out there, you don't need to get a Max Studio to run OpenClaw. But yeah, it's pretty chill. Is it free forever with that method? As long as you stick within the token limits, right? That's the main thing here. And then Debris says, you're on your local machine running OpenClaw. Yeah, but it's with a cloud API, right? That's the big difference here. Now, if we go back over to OpenClaw here, you can actually see it says device mismatch session, right? So what I'm actually going to do is get Claude Code to fix this, because I have like so many different installs from live streams and new updates and stuff like that. Just want to get this fixed in the meantime. So what we got in the questions here. So Debris says, with the cloud API, it's like virtual machine. Well, it's just like the API is running in the cloud, right? It's just instead of using something like, for example, Console Anthropic or, for example, like ChatGPT, you run the API in the cloud and you run it from Ollama. But yeah, it's not a local API. Basically, Midnight Hazard says, okay, thank you. I'm scared of using API. Yeah, so that's the thing, right? So if you're on the free plan of Ollama and you don't have you're just on the free plan, then there's no issues with that, right? Like you don't have to worry about that stuff. So that's one of the benefits here. So for example, like Ollama, you can't charge me for this stuff. As long as I just stick within the token limits. And then also like if you're worried about Claude bot like just getting stuck in a loop or something like that, you can always shut it down if you're not using it, right? Something like that. The final thing that I would say on that is if you haven't checked it out already, there are other options that are pretty chill when it comes to using something very, very similar. So let me show you a couple of examples that I've looked at recently that might help you, right? So if you're worried about API costs, that sort of thing, you're like, okay, I want like a fixed cost, for example, right? Well, one option that you have is you've got QiwiClaw, and you can pay like $49 a month for that. No, sorry, even I think it's $39 a month now. Just double check, but yeah, QiwiClaw is, I think it's $39 a month, and then you just stick within the token limits. And it's that's basically a fixed cost. The other option that you have, and then you're using Qwen 3.5, and it's a one-click install in the cloud. The other option that you have as well is you've got Skybot. This is one that I actually checked out recently on Skywork. I really like it. It's pretty cool. You can see an example right here. So we, for example, set up Skybot, which kind of has its own like compute in the cloud, like a desktop in the cloud. And then it's connected to my Telegram. I can tell it to do stuff. I could say like, okay, search the latest trending stuff on GitHub, then create a product page based on that and open it up, right? And then it will just build out something like, for example, this, right? Just build out this landing page based on a trending GitHub page, right? So it can code, it can research, it can run a computer in the cloud. That's another good option, and that's about $49. So if you just want something fixed, you've got these options right there. Time Watch says, is there a magical config to ensure OpenClaw memory works well? Every time I think I figured out, it starts forgetting stuff. Yeah, so you just want to make sure that it's checking the memory MD. That's the main thing there. And just make sure that if you see it forgetting stuff, just remind it, like, listen, mate, check the memory MD. I have noticed in recent updates the memory is not as good as it used to be, to the point where sometimes you can't even look back in the conversation, which is kind of annoying. But you can just get the memory MD file and get it to refer to that. You can also say inside the custom instructions, like check the MD file once a day, something like that, just to remind it and see what's going on. But Roger says, is he running Qwen or Gwen locally? No, so I'm running it with Ollama, but it's running with a cloud API, right? That's the key here. That's what you want to be looking at. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get a full guide on this, all the terminal commands, etc., that we use today, you can get that inside my AI automation community, the AI Profit Boardroom. That's available, link in the comments description, or go to aiprofitboardroom.com. And then from there, what you want to do is just navigate to the SOP update section. Now, once you've done that, you can see we have a full section on running Qwen 3.5 plus Claude Code plus OpenClaw. Plus, we've got an extra video tutorial for you right there with the links and everything else. If you want the terminal commands from today, I will paste them inside this section here, so you can just grab this stuff from me if you want to steal it from me, as you can see. And you can see the terminal commands right there, along with the OpenClaw method. We do have like 3 or 4 different ways to run this for free with OpenClaw. So there are quite a few methods now that you can use to run OpenClaw for free. If you want to learn more about that, check out our guides inside the AI Profit Board. And we actually update this community daily with new updates. So for example, you can see today alone, we added like 4 new guides inside here. There are also alternatives like Zero Claw, Pico Claw, Pocket Paw, whatever you want to call it. There's an update for everything these days. There's many different versions. Skybot as well as another one, and we have a full 6-hour course on how to use OpenClaw and set it up properly, etc. So you get that all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Thanks so much for watching. Remus says, what are the top 3 OpenClaw tools, skills, and plugins in a minute? We've got a lot of training on that inside the AI Profit Boardroom, so feel free to check that out. And then Roger says, T White, nice to see you for real for once. Thank you very much, sir. We actually do go live every single day. So we do live streams daily. And then if you want to catch me, hope to see you on there next time. So yeah, thanks for watching. And then also inside the community, you can post any questions. We've got 2,400 members inside here as well. If you want to post questions, get help and support and that sort of thing. You can see a full course on how to go from beginner to expert with AI automation in just 5 weeks. Plus you learn how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. You might be thinking, this is great for you, Julian, because you're an expert or you do AI automation every day. But it's not just me winning with this stuff. So you can see we've actually got 129 pages of people who are winning with AI automation. So for example, Eric said he's onboarding a new client. Dan actually landed his first customer after being in the AI boardroom for 2 weeks. You've got, for example, Kate, who is loving it. And we've got like new testimonials. So it's pretty much an infinite scroll, as you can see right here. So lots of people winning with this stuff. So if you want to get this, it's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. The other cool thing you can do here as well is inside the classroom, you've got an agency course on how to get more clients. You can watch about the coaching calls. You can learn how to rank #1 with AI SEO. You can learn how to grow a YouTube channel with AI. Plus, we do 4 weekly coaching calls. So you can jump on video calls and ask questions, get help and support, etc. All inside here. And by the way, if you want to see an example of Clawbot just working in the background, you can see an example right here. So this is OpenClaw running from Telegram, directly typing away to me, as you can see. So cheers for watching, and I'll see everyone on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.